Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Conrad, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Kum kujing sungu ya ke sorkar jela pok kujing alam jung menteri rangba Conrad kongkal Sangma kepala ai jing kersan hagi babun ki benta kinong yok mining lease na ke benta banti do yong hakalai terik ujembang arjar apulai kila Pynkup Burom yu menteri rangba ke jela hasor nong ston hakabala sakhilang do palas chakrabarti ubumi khmat ya ke Novo Mine India Private Limited uskatri jong ketrat mining and geology uba I kharmal ki kli nong sincha jong ke West Khasi Hills ki arngut ki balayo ya mining lease katau ba Shining Star Khardo Sau na West Khasi Hills bat utai lang pedi na South West Khasi Hills lamba ki paj ba nong shnong hakjing akran bigilat pathai khubor menteri rangba ulong halien biginong apply ki layo ya mining lease na ka sarkar India lingba ka Ministry of Coal ban sedang no ya scientific mining hakani ke jela kila khat shobha yu na ka benta ka jingalang Pynkup Burom ban ai khuble ya ka sarkar jela halor ka jingkershan ka bedei bat ki babun ki benta hakini ki sansnem bala letno kat hadu balayo alat man sedang ya garukom ti duyong bathamai omshu kum garukom ti duyong thliu khnai ka baminchwa.
We are here today in Nongstoin where some of the miners and project proponents who have just recently received the mining lease from Government of India, Coal Ministry, to start the scientific mining in the state of Meghalaya, have invited us for a felicitation program to thank the government for all the support and the work that we've done in the last 5 years to finally, number one, lift the ban, and number two, to actually start the process of scientific, safe and sustainable mining for the state of Meghalaya. In the process, 4 miners have received the mining lease, post which they will be applying for state clearances like certain environmental clearances, pollution board clearances, and there will be some public consultation, and there will also be some other formalities that need to be completed at the state level. And once that is done, then the process of scientific and safe mining can officially start in the state. As I said, it will take about 45 days to 60 days, but these formalities are very much within the state government. So hence I would first of all like to thank the Government of India, especially the Coal Minister, who has been somebody who has supported us all the way to ensure that we are able to open up the coal mining and start the coal mining in a sustainable and scientific manner in the state. So I thank the Honorable Coal Minister, Shri Prahlad Joshiji, who has been instrumental in making this happen. And I thank the Honorable Prime Minister and Government of India for all their support that they have shown in these difficult times so that we're able to start this process. At the same time, in the future, more miners will be applying for the mining lease. And similarly, as the process was there for the current 4 miners, the similar process will be followed for the other miners who have applied. And in the future, other individuals and miners who are interested can also further apply. But the process and procedure for obtaining the lease and the license for scientific mining will have to be followed, just like was followed by the other members or the other miners who have finally received the clearances. So I wish them the very best. This is indeed a very, very historic moment, I should say, because for the past almost a decade, the people of Meghalaya, especially the miners and people who are dependent on the mining sector, especially coal, have really suffered a lot in the past many years. Not only have the people, but even the government has lost a lot of revenue in terms of the royalty. But we are hopeful that all of this is now about to change. Of course, we will not see that the mining will go back to how it was before. There is a process to be followed. But now, the point is that most important is that the process of scientific and sustainable and safe mining will start from now on. So once again, I wish them the very best and really look forward again going to the mining sector in a proper manner and follow the rules and regulations and maintain the safety standards and also the scientific standards that are required, and be able to now continue with the mining in the future.